Hi indeed, I am Priyanka. Welcome to Learning Lens channel. The next concept in real numbers is HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM. So what is the meaning of HCF? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. So what is the definition of LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. So before we are going to discuss the HCF and LCM, we should be aware of factors and multiples. మనకు ముందు factors అంటే multiples అంటే ఏంటో తెలియదు. Suppose take the number 12. So what are the factors for 12? Start from the 1 table up to 10 tables. So 1, 2, in 1 table, 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So like that from 1 table we need to check up to 12. So 1 into, in 1 table how many times? 1 into 12. In 2 table 2 6s there, in 3 table 3 4s there, in 4 table 4 3s are 12, in 6 table 6 2s are 12. And what are the multiples for 12? So multiples means simply writing the table. 12, 24, 12, 12, 36, 12, 4, 14, 12, 5, 60 and so on. Okay. So factors of finite. Factors and eప్పుడు కూడా మనకి కొన్ని ఉంటాయి. So we will call it as finite. Here we observe that the factors are finite. So how the multiples? So multiples are infinite. We cannot tell the multiples. So multiples are infinite. Multiples are infinite. So what is the smallest factor here? Smallest factor is 1. What is the smallest factor? 1. What is the smallest factor? 1. And what is the greatest factor here? Number x. What is the greatest factor here? Number x. So up to 10 tables we need to check. So 1 table, 2 table, 3, 4. It will not go in 5 table. 6 it will go. 7, 8, 9, 10 it will not go. Again it will go in the 12 table. So finite. Factors are finite. So greatest factor, what is the greatest factor? Number x. Greatest factor is number itself. So greatest factor is number x. So always for every number the smallest factor is 1. ఏ నెంబర్ తీసుకున్నా మనకి స్మాలెస్ట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ 1 ఉంటుంది. సో అందుకని మనం ఇక్కడ LCF గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయట్లేదు. ఎందుకు? ప్రతి నెంబర్కి స్మాలెస్ట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏ ఉంటుంది? 1 ఉంటుంది. అందుకని మనం దాని గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయట్లేదు. సో HCF హైయెస్ట్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. హైయెస్ట్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అనేది మనకి మారుతుంది. సో we will discuss about this highest common factor. So what is multiples? Multiples are infinite. What is the least multiple? Least multiple is number x. So what is the greatest multiple? So what is the greatest multiple? Greatest multiple ఉంటుందా? ఉండదు. Why? Because there are infinite terms. So it is not defined. Just about HCM. Why? Because highest common multiple is not defined. And we will discuss only least common multiple. So that's why only highest common factor will come and least common multiple will come. So this is the basic history of HCF and LCM. That's the reason why we will call it as HCF and LCM, not HCM and LCM. So we are not discussing about LCF and HCM. We are discussing only about HCF and LCM. Understood?